Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the magic eraser tool on Google Photos. So you're going to select edit, and I'm just going to wait for it to load. Go to tools here, go to magic eraser and select what you want to erase. So for instance, I want to erase this this glass here. So I'm just going to circle it. And it's going to hopefully try to erase it. I know there's going to be some parts that are like this. You're just going to select it a little bit more, and it's not going to be perfect. So make sure you adjust it a little bit. But that is pretty much it. It's not going to be perfect, as you can see, but you can blur it out a little bit later. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!